Hey guys, welcome back to the Impulse Recreation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling the story about how I got my 2014 Camaro 1SS. As it sits now, it looks pretty decent. It's just okay. But the story really starts one day I got home from work. My brother was in our other shop, and I walked in the door and he was like, "Hey, you got to check out this Camaro." And I walked up and he was looking at an auction house and he's like, "I think it's a good buy." It was white, obviously, and everything looked okay. It looked like it had minimal damage. It was damaged. Someone maybe hit, who knows what they hit. It was pretty minimal. It just really needed a front bumper and a hood. And he was like, "You got 8 minutes to buy it." And somehow, through impulsive decisions, I ended up with the car. And I got it about a week later, had it transported from Arkansas. And it showed up, and I was pretty disappointed. Somewhere along the line, I don't know if it wasn't a flood, the Carfax and history doesn't show a flood or anything like that, but I had to pull the plug in the trunk because there was literally, the battery that's in the trunk was underwater completely. There was a foot of water in the trunk. I couldn't even believe it. The carpet was completely saturated. It smelled like mildew and mold, and it was horrifying. On top of that, the paint was disgusting. Someone had repainted it. They had poor UV protection in the clear coat, and it was starting to yellow, and I just wasn't happy. But throughout the process of repairing it, I decided to repaint the car. So I repainted the entire car front to back, put different headlights in it, cammed it, and did some performance parts to it. We can talk about that in another video. And then put an entire new interior in it. I somehow fell into the trap of dynamatting the entire interior, the whole car. So I added probably about 60 pounds of dynamat and put brand new carpet in it. Smells like a brand new car now, and hours of detailing later, here she sits. And I'm excited to bring it to the track and just try and keep up with my brother and a couple of our buddies who have 1,000+ horsepower cars. And you know, I'm a small fish in a big pond, so we'll see how that goes.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a like if you did. And in the comments, let us know what you want to see with our Camaros here. We have 4 Camaros and a ton of possibilities, and we want to cater the channel to what you guys want to see. Also, subscribe so you guys can stay up to date on what we're doing around here at the shop and with all of our cars. Follow us on Instagram too. We love interacting with you guys and posting a lot more pictures and fun stuff on there. And in the description, we have details for a Venmo giveaway where you guys have a chance to get some stickers and support us so we can keep continuing to make content that you guys want to see. Remember, stay impulsive.